So welcome to another Clearly in 60 Seconds, this time Dr. Seuss, green eggs and ham and planting herbs. We continued our spring topic with herbs and plants this time, again still following the egg theme in our Easter topic, and Deanna prepared flashcards of items in the green eggs and ham story that rhyme so the children could match them and repeat the words. What was very nice was how the children naturally joined in with the story, repeating parts of the story themselves unprompted. Dr. Seuss is great. He made up a song to go with the story and sang it to the tune of Old MacDonald on the ukulele. As usual, the children got into the song and the actions as we went through the story, rhyming words, and we used them in our version of the song. Our children made green eggs and ham. They prepare all the ingredients themselves, they measure, mix, and then they cook the green eggs and ham. And of course, they try the green eggs and ham and find out, hey, they like green eggs and ham. At the craft science table, we had the children potting again, but this time herbs, all kinds of herbs, and a flower. We recycled a favourite gardening song of ours from Boogie Beebies. And this time we used a greenhouse planter, and as well as usual pots, the children had to carefully fill the planters with soil, dig a hole, put some seeds, cover the seeds, and then water them. And we place them in the window. That's a minute.